Hello friends, this is Nirmal here for Technique, and in this video we'll explain the Zen UI found on the ASUS Zenfones. So Zenfones were launched in India, and there are three models right now available: the Zenfone 4, the Zenfone 5 and the Zenfone 6. So all these three phones run the Zen UI, which is the custom UI on top of Android 4.3 from ASUS. So let's talk about this UI and see what are the features and functions available. So this is the Zen UI we are seeing. So this is the lock screen of the Zenfone phone. So you can see here the lock screen has the clock, and then you have a calendar here. So you can see on the right side you have the calendar with the birthdays showing up here. Then you have the weather and other information which can be added from the UI. So as you can see from the home screen, you can see three icons: the camera, the call icon and the messages. So you can access these functions directly from the lock screen. So if you swipe in any direction on the lock screen, it will take you to the home screen. But in case you want to access the call or the camera or even the message, you can access it from here. So what you need to do is you can just swipe, click on that icon and swipe or drag in any direction, and you will be taken to that particular app. So that we have the option for the camera, then you have the call and the messaging. So that's the lock screen of the ASUS Zenfone 4, the Zen UI. Now if you go to the notification center, if you swipe from the top, you can see the notification center. So that's the notification center on the Zen UI. So here there are quite a few things which we can show you. So first up you have the notifications, then you have the settings icon and the option to edit the notification center, and to switch to the quick view. So you can see here this is the quick view. So here we have quite a lot of options like clean up memory, then you have quickly access calculator, there is audio wizard, sound recorder, then the normal set of options like Wi-Fi, auto rotate, sound, GPS, airplane mode, mobile data, smart savings, then you have Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, auto sync and Miracast. So these are the options available. Now if there is one unique feature of this lock screen, I mean the notification center. So if you swipe from the right side, you get these quick icons. If you swipe from the left side, you can see it will open the notification. So it's like if you swipe from the left side, you can see the notifications, and if you swipe from the right side, you can see the quick icon. So that's the difference between these two UI. So there are two things available here. One is the quick settings and second is the notification center. Now you can access the settings from here. So if you go here, these are the settings. There are quite a lot of options available in the settings. So we'll see these functions. So you can see the normal set of options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, dual SIM card, call settings, and if you click more, you have this VPN, Wi-Fi hotspot and other stuff. Then you have the normal sound, display, storage, battery, apps, and then power management. So you can see the power saver mode is there, and power consumption table. So that's the power statistics. It shows which all apps are used using the battery and the amount of battery it is being used here. So that can be got from this table. Then you have the ASUS customized settings. So recent app key, you can just set them. Then you have the screenshot, file format, quick setting options, quick reset quick settings, then app installation settings. So these are the ASUS customized settings for the device. Then you have again the location, access, security, lock screen, language and input, backup and reset. Then all the normal set of options available. So this is the settings. Now let's go to the home screen. So this is the home screen of the Zen UI. You have the normal set of icons. So you have the widget support, the Google search, and then the normal options like call, then contacts, all apps, messages and browser. Now if you go to the let's talk about the home screen. So if you have multiple home screen, so this can be added here, and you can add widgets here. So if you press and hold the opens home screen, you can see the option to manage home. So here we have the option like apps, widgets, then you have wallpaper, and then the edit page. So these are the options. So if you click widgets, you can add other widgets whatever is available here. and you can add them here. Then you have the option to wallpaper for home screen, lock screen, as well as both home screen and lock screen. So these are the options available. Then you have the option to edit page, so that is also available here. Now let's go to the all apps list. So if you click the from the home button, you can see the all apps list. So this is where you can see all the apps. So here there are again quite a few options. First is the search option, you can search app. Then you have the Play Store, and then the widgets option, you can select widgets. And if you click these three dots available, you have few settings like lock app settings, hide, uninstall, disable, sort by, and manage apps. So if you click hide, you can see you can select apps which you want to hide, so that will be hidden from the home screen. So that is the option to hide apps. Now you can uninstall apps from here. Apart from that, you can also lock apps in the sense that they will not be available to the user, so you need to enter the password. So let's enter the password, and then you can select the apps which you want to lock. Say for example, I just want to lock the browser, so right now I have locked it. So if you go home and see the browser, you can see that it will ask you to enter the password. So any app you want to lock and protect it from other users, so you can just lock these apps from here. So there is also hide apps, so we already showed you hide apps. Then you have the option to sort and uninstall, also manage apps. Now coming on to the bottom section, you have this listing all apps. Then you have downloaded apps and also frequently used apps. So if you have downloaded any apps from the Play Store, those will be shown up here. And similarly, if you are you can see the frequent used apps available here. So and then you can manage the all apps. So these are the options in the Zen UI. It's quite a lot of options available in the Zen UI, and it's interesting UI. It's totally customized UI in the form of different notification center. You have a different settings area, a different lock screen than what you see on the normal Android phones in the budget segment. So Zen UI is pretty responsive and comes with tons of features to customize your phone, as well as there are lots of options to make it better, like hiding apps, lock apps, and also sort apps based on this alphabetical order. Then you have the option to then you also have the option to see the downloaded apps, also the frequently used apps. So that's the overall look at the Zen UI of ASUS Zenfones. So it's pretty decent UI with a good amount of features available, and it's pretty responsive as well. So if you have any specific queries on Zen UI, drop a comment and we'll be glad to help you out with your queries. If you like this video, do hit the like button, subscribe to YouTube channel for more updates, and thanks for watching this video.